Hi, I'm Beth, and this video is brought to you by the Grace Company. I've got a great new product here today, and I can't wait to show you. It's the Cutie Tabletop Fabric Frame, and it turns any space into a quilting space. The Cutie is a space-saving solution. You can set it up on a desk, table, kitchen island, basically any tabletop surface. It sets up super easily and stores just as easily. The lightweight frame can store flat or upright, so you can tuck it away until next time you need it. If you don't have the space to dedicate to a full-size quilting frame, this is such a fantastic solution. The Cutie is super cost-effective and affordable too. For under $1,000, you can get the frame and the carriage. Just add your sewing machine and you're ready to get started. When you can finish your quilts yourself versus paying somebody to quilt for you, you'll recoup those costs pretty quickly. And the Grace Company also offers financing to make it even easier to purchase. With the Cutie, you use your own domestic sewing machine. If you can disengage your feed dogs, then you should be able to use your machine on the Cutie. It's easy to add your sewing machine to the carriage and get the frame ready. Keep in mind the throat space of your machine will determine how much quilting space you will have within the frame. The Cutie accommodates machines with a throat space of up to 19 inches. The Cutie uses a clamp system to hold your fabric in place while you're quilting. So lay your quilt sandwich over the frame and then work it underneath the foot of your machine. Then you'll take the fabric clamps and clamp to the take-up rail. And adding a side clamp, and then go to the back and roll up the excess fabric and secure using the elastic and the little clips, and then adjust those to fit however much excess fabric you have. And then do the same thing on the front pole. When you first load your quilt, it's a good idea to check the boundaries of your quilting space. So move your machine all around on the quilt and see where that boundary is, so you know how far you can quilt and you can plan your quilting based on that zone that you have available. If you'd like to, you can make some marks so that you don't forget and try to quilt past where you're going to be able to reach. The handles are adjustable, so you can move these for wherever feels most comfortable for you. You can quilt sitting or standing. The dual track system allows your machine to glide across your fabric with ease, so no more wrestling to move your quilt around the bed of your domestic machine. So if you think you don't have the budget or the space for free motion quilting, the Cutie could be your perfect solution. It's affordable, space-saving, and it's fun to use. Get your Cutie today at graceframe.com.